Adding teachers in the Tabschool is very easy. To add teachers in the Tabschool, you have to follow a few steps. Firstly, go to the Tabschool and log in. Now, the dashboard of the Institute appears. On the left navigation, click on the teacher option. After this, the teacher page will appear. Here, you will see an Add button. Click on the button, and fill all the information required. Click on the button Save, and your teacher's data will be saved. That's all. Adding a teacher is this easy on Tabschool LMS.